Hi, welcome to Sachin Study Tech. Today topic is, for example, if you can open one file, that file consisting of more than one class. So here you can see this is one class, class A, and this is another class, class B. So this is another class, class sample. So in this file consisting of three classes, then how can save this program? So either you can save with a.java or b.java or sample.java, or other than that also you can save with any name. Now you can see here this class save with sachim.java. Now you can see just you can save this file. Before saving, just you can clear what are the things is there in previously Java programs. Here it is, Java class file is generated. Now just delete it. Sachin file is there. Now we can save this sachim.java. That is the file name, sachim.java. Now we can run this. So we can compile java c space sachim.java, and after compilation you can see here, after compilation a dot class file is generated, b dot class file is generated, and sample dot class file is generated. Okay, if you can run this a dot class or b class and sample dot class, but here it is a dummy classes, that's why I'm running sample dot class here. You can see sample dot java dot java space sample. So that is the welcome to Sachin Study Tech. So no problem, here the program is executed perfectly. Okay, now we can see if the file name consisting of more than one class, if any one of the class having the public. Now, so for example, I am declare class B as a public class B. Now what is the thing? So here the file name save, this file save with sachim.java. Just you can run this sachim.java. You can run this. What is the error here? Class B is a public. Okay, should be declared file name b.java only, b.java, but file name is sachim.java. Previously no problem, but whenever if more than one class is there in your file, then one class is declared as a public, then that file should be saved with this name only. So that's why here it is save as, for example, here it is b dot java. So that is the rule. Now we can check b dot java. Okay, there is no error here. Just you can run. Now we can run which class here, sample class. You can run the sample. Here you can see the output. Welcome to Sachin Study Tech. So that is the main difference. For example, more than one class is, for example, in that file consisting of more than one class, you can create any number of classes in your file. Okay, but what is the rule? If any one class as you can declare as a public, then the file name should be saved with that name only, that is b.java. For example, if try to declare one more class as a public, now here you can see public class A. Now you can save this file b.java. For example, here you can see you can compile java c space b.java. Now you can see an error. Why? Class A is a public, should be declared file name as a.java, but here class B is also a public. So how we can save that file with more than one name? So it is not allowed. That's why if any file consisting of more than one class, okay, no problem, but only one class declared as a public, more than one class declared as a public, it is not allowed. Okay, so that is the problem. So here it is more than one class not declared as a public. So that is the another rule. And also previously I discussed what how can write the simple Java program. Now we can see one more thing. Here you can see that. So for example, here I am saving with this file is, for example, in previous program also I am saving. Here it is sample. For example, here it is previously I am saving this program. For example, here it is Satyam dot Java, and you can compile this file. So how you can compile? You can save the file here, and Java C is a compiler, space file name is Satyam dot Java. Okay, because of this is the Java file, that's why dot Java extension here. So after compilation, so it can generate the class dot class file, so that consisting of bytecode instructions. So dot class file is generated already, you know. So then here JVM Java Virtual Machine, so this bytecode is converted into native code, that is .exe file for the specific operating system. So here it is Windows operating system, here it is a Linux or Macintosh, so operating system. So here you can see, so the bytecode instructions is converted into Windows, so native specific native code it is converted. So in JVM also we have the just-in-time compiler, just-in-time compiler. So here it is converted into, those statement is converted into native machine code. So that's why here Java is a platform independent language. So whatever the bytecode is generated, so you can run this dot class in any one of the operating system, that system having any one of the operating system, you can run that file without any errors, because here that JVM is converted into that specific native code, that is .exe file is generated. So after this Java C Satyam.java, if there is no error, then here it can see dot class file is generated, that is bytecode, it consisting of bytecode. This is the intermediate code. Then here JVM will takes that bytecode, so that is converted into .exe file. So this is the process, execution process. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Later can discuss in more topics.